Hi there, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here for the very first time. I'm so glad that you've joined us for today's monthly reset video. It is November. We're doing a monthly reset for November. That's so insane. 2024 is 2 months away. 2 months away. So basically I've been seeing all these monthly reset videos across my channel, and so I was very inspired from that video. I was very encouraged, motivated to really get my life on track in terms of more accountability, intentional goal setting. And yeah, I think it's just so great because it really creates accountability for yourself and something to look back on so that you feel very motivated for future endeavors regarding organization and just life. So today, through the inspiration of others, I will be doing my monthly reset video for the month of November. So I really hope that this video encourages you, inspires you to, set achievable goals for yourself so that you can grow, so that you are able to start on things that you've been putting off for weeks, months, years. Not too sure what your situation is, but yeah, this video is mainly to encourage you and motivate you the same way that someone else encouraged and inspired me. So we'll be jumping into what goals I set for the month of October. Did I meet them? Did I not meet them? Why not? My own personal comments, as well as sharing with you goals that I set for the month of November, key life updates that's happening in my life, as well as things that I'm doing to set up for my month of November. So let's get started with this video. Alright, so for the month of October, I set a few different kind of goals in different categories. As an overview, some I did hit and other times I missed. Real bad, but we'll get into that. And honestly, all of it is your journey. It is your own personal journey, and as long as you know that that's the best that you could have done, or if you have, slipped up and you're like, it's okay, we're gonna do better next week or next month, and keep that process going. Like, don't stop, don't quit. And I'll share some encouragement regarding that from my own personal goals, which you'll find out in just a moment. So my first personal goal was read the Bible and spend time with God daily. So this is something that I haven't being too consistent in. It's like at times I'll have a phase or a season where I'm like super consistent and I will do it for like 2-3 weeks straight, and then it'll kind of like fizzle out a bit and it'll kind of like get back up there. And I think for so long I've always beaten myself up about that, where it's like, oh, it has to be consistent or it's not good enough. This time round, doing it in the month of October, and of course with the journey and understanding God's heart and what it really is and what the essence of, instead of it being performance based, but it's about being like relationship based. It's like, do you want to? And if you aren't there yet, it's asking God to help you get there. Similar to there's the passage, I can't remember at the top of my head now, but I'll insert it here, where there was a guy who had a son who had some sort of sickness or something that needed Jesus to heal. And so Jesus was like, you have little faith. Like, why do you not believe? And then he's like, I want to believe, but help my unbelief. And I think in a similar sense, it's kind of like going to God and asking him like, well, Lord, I want to read your word. I want to spend more time with you, but you help me in what I need to deal with to kind of get me to that point. There must be something that's stopping me. Is it distraction with other things? Is it just my own revelation and conviction of how important the word is in my life? And yeah, I guess it's that essence of learning about it that has helped me in this time round of being a bit more consistent. So we're definitely getting there. We're definitely getting there. Another thing that helped me with this goal was my journaling Bible that I got from the Daily Grace Co. I will link the video up here or down below for you to watch the whole video that I did for that one, as well as my setting up my new Bible that could help encourage you and spur you on in this kind of goal if you have set this for yourself as well. So as you can see on my Notion, I have been ticking it off, and I've set up this goal tracker Notion page to really help with those kind of personal goals, especially if I am customizing it to the monthly reset as to what goals I'm doing for that particular month. So I'm loving this. Let me know if you guys want me to make this template available for you guys, if it helps you to track your goals as well, and if you're also on Notion. If you're not on Notion, get Notion. It is free and it is such an incredible change in my life. It is like a digital planner's dream. Those who love planning and just writing in your calendar and planner and organization is key in everything, in every aspect of life. Notion is that digital platform for you, and it is so incredible. I love it so much. All right, moving on to fitness. So fitness goal is something I struggle with so bad. I am not proud of it, but I want to make a change. And so in the month of October, I decided to set a goal of getting back into working out consistently. I think consistently was the key, and I think I definitely did put an unrealistic goal by doing a Chloe Ting's 30-day shred challenge. Oh my god, I only lasted 2 days and I couldn't do the rest. But it was definitely unrealistic for like my lifestyle at this point in time, and especially as someone who's just getting back into working out. It was death. It was like death to me. I couldn't. I wish I filmed like clips of just not mentally being there, but I don't know, that's just my struggle. Maybe you're someone who just thrives on fitness and working out. Please give me some tips down below. Lifestyle wise, definitely reviewing it, sacrifices will have to be made to accommodate working out into my life. So that one we are reviewing for the month of November, and we will see how we go. It is just so painful. I can't. It is all mental. It is all in the mental. And I just gotta do it. All right, the next category was YouTube. And I had 3 goals for this one just because I really want to focus on YouTube, and it was consistently to post 1 video a week. Number 2 was comment on 5 YouTube videos to engage with others. And of course, just build genuine connection. And then the 3rd one was spend a week researching YouTube content ideas. Honestly, reviewing it, my month regarding YouTube was quite incredible. I gained a lot of subscribers that I didn't expect to gain. I did try to post consistently for each week, which I did achieve all weeks except the 18th, which was my birthday week, and I was planning on doing a video, but in the end, it was just a crazy week instead. So picked up a few more shifts at work, as well as just dinner out with family and whatnot. So it was definitely a full-on week that I was like, you know what? It is not worth posting this week if I'm going to be stressing out over it and not really enjoying my birthday week. So I decided to do that instead. So hence the 3 videos for the month of October instead of 4. So I was happy with the consistently posting. The other thing was wanting to comment on 5 different YouTube videos to engage with others. This one was probably a bit unrealistic at this point in time. I don't have as much free time to do so, especially with a kid. Moving forward, we'll definitely review that number, but it's something I do want to build onto and get better at. And the last one for the YouTube category was to spend 1 day a week researching YouTube video content ideas. This was a yes and no. This one I don't think I was too intentional with, just I think other things kind of slipped in, distracted me, and I was focusing more on the producing the content videos. So moving forward, I definitely would need to kind of review this and see how capable I am in my lifestyle, as well as just my scheduling for the week, and if I'm able to do so. Just because I did add something on to my life, which I will update you in the life updates. So it's very exciting, but of course that adds a bit of extra time taken away from other things that I'm wanting to do. And of course, family as a priority and church. So that was the overview of October, my reflection of it, my goals. Now we're moving on to goal setting for the month of November. So goal setting for November, I am wanting to bring over from previous month a few different things, and I'll add a new goal that I want to add into the month of November. So I want to spend time with God daily, continue that one, and keep my streak going on my YouVersion Bible app. So I'm currently doing the 40 days drawing closer to God, and I'll link the video up here or down below for you to check that out, where I just get to explain and share a bit about that devotion and what I've been doing regarding that one. And yeah, so 40 days, I'm currently up to day 22. It's been insane. And just like, yeah, it's just been so good. So definitely check that video out just to hear more about that one. So the next goal that I'm bringing over from last month is to work out consistently. So instead of it being doing that Chloe Ting's challenge, which was literally like 5 days a week, it's so insane now I'm thinking about it, that someone who doesn't really like working out yet just went straight into a Chloe Ting's challenge. Yeah, what was I thinking? I don't know. So I'm gonna try do working out 2 days a week and keep it consistent. So the last one that I brought over from last month is commenting on YouTube videos daily to engage with others, network, and generally wind down and have a good time watching these videos. So instead of it being 5 videos a day, I've decided to do 2 videos a day. We'll see how we go. If 2 videos a day and keeping it consistent is a bit too much, I think it's just getting that time to wind down and just watch videos, engage and comment and make some friends on YouTube. And my last one, because sometimes setting too many goals can be really overwhelming. So sometimes month by month basis, let's focus on what we really want to do and what's more important. So I think if that's something that you struggle with, where you add so many goals, even though they are realistic goals, it's just a lot to kind of either keep track of, or yeah, it just actually does more of the overwhelming than like making it motivating. So keep that in mind. So the last one for the month of November is try and eat out less on a weekly basis, or try to cook more at home meals for dinner and have home packed lunches. So with that one, not only will it help save money, but it will actually help us to eat a bit healthier. So yeah, that is that one. So now let's move on to life updates. Yay! I love life updates because it's just so exciting to see what is up in people's lives and kind of what is their season looking like and what they're embarking on or stepping into for the next chapter of their life, for example. So what I'll be sharing with you guys today is that I am back to studying. Yay! I thrive on studying. If you guys love studying, you love like learning, absorbing information, kind of like having a timetable, a schedule, things like that, yes, we will like connect really well because I love doing that. It is so fun. So I will be studying at RMIT online, so all of it's self-directed learning, and I'll be doing digital graphic design course. I am so excited. I think I have been putting this off for so long, and this is one of the reasons why I want to make these monthly reset videos, is just to inspire you guys with either live updates or just things that I'm doing or goals that I've set for myself that you are thinking like, oh, like that is something I've been putting off for a while. Like let's put that on my goals list, or let's put that on my tasks list so that it doesn't get put off any longer. So for a while I've been wanting to kind of get a credential or qualification regarding this kind of field, just because everything has been kind of self-taught or learned through experience and on the go of getting jobs and stuff or helping friends out or whatnot. I finally am wanting to step into this and actually start and learn the fundamentals and the basics and yeah, the foundations of what graphic design is. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'm so interested and excited to do a video just reviewing that kind of course in case if you guys are wanting to do that particular course as well. So if you're interested in learning more about graphic design and see what I have learned and my review on that course, do consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are aware of what videos are coming up in the future. And yeah, that is my life update. Yay! So really excited. I can't wait. So something I love to do on a monthly basis as well is overview my month. So I like to go onto Notion. My Notion page has a digital planner section that I've added to there, which I'll show you in a moment, and it basically has everything that I need to put down as like dates, appointments, has a calendar section for that, as well as a weekly breakdown that I can add notes and tasks and things that I need to remind myself of. I really love Notion for this, and I love how you can customize it to whatever you want to help you out. So things that I like to do on a monthly basis is to review my YouTube content planner. So that's been something to help me to review my content, what I've scheduled, what I'm planning, and my brainstorming page to kind of show you what content that I'm thinking of or what content that I was inspired by someone else. And it's kind of like my brain dump for YouTube related. So the monthly reset video that I watched as well featured a cleaning aspect or a decluttering aspect that I really liked. I just think that sometimes there's rooms or spaces in your home or your apartment or your room, I guess, bedroom, study, whichever it is, that you're just like, you've left for so long because it's not really in the way, and you've kind of looked past like, you know what, that mess, it's fine. Like I can live with and I can deal with it. But with this whole decluttering spaces for the month, I think it also helps with accountability and productivity and efficiency so that you can pinpoint what areas that you want cleaned by the end of the month. So last month I decided to want to clean up my film room because it was still recovering from my 5 outfits in 5 minutes challenge, which I will link up there if you want to have a look. It was complete chaos. It was just so insane, like clothes everywhere. And I was like, you know what, enough is enough. I need to clean this. I need a better space to film more content, so I just need to get that over and done with. And so that was something I decided to start doing to set up for my month of November. And one thing that I've been putting off for a while now is my pantry. So for the month of November, I will be having that on my list of cleaning and decluttering, as well as my linen cupboards. So hopefully we'll be able to have those 3 spaces cleared by the end of November. Look out for my monthly reset of December to see if that was done or not. I am also curious to find out. Also, I'm such a huge Spotify playlist person. I love discovering new songs. I love adding things to my playlist and creating playlists for different kind of atmospheres, vibes, moods, events, you know, like a study playlist, a like home vibe kind of playlist when guests come over, and things like that. And so I am actually really interested in adding this into my next monthly reset, just because I think I haven't really thought it through yet as to how I want to incorporate it. But I would love to share my kind of like songs that I'm loving or have been listening to for each month. So I think that'll be a really fun aspect, as well as probably adding the aspect of favorite things for the month, or like favorite places that I've been to, like food wise, or I could do that as a completely separate video. I'm not too sure yet, but let me know in the comments if you like to see that part of the monthly reset video of having monthly favorites in there, or it's a completely separate video that you'd like me to do. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video, as well as you found it encouraging, inspiring, or helpful to kind of get your life kind of together regarding organization, regarding goal settings, especially if it's achievable, realistic goals. So let's motivate each other to get our life on track in terms of goal settings and just cleaning that space or decluttering that space that we've been putting off for so long. So comment down below what other aspects you'd like to see on a monthly reset video, the ones that I've recently mentioned, or anything that's new. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will definitely help me out and help this channel out, and give this a like as well, so I know that you enjoyed this video and can't wait for more monthly reset videos. Can't wait to read your comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!